Welcome to the Good Times We Share. Today we're going to be sharing with you a very simple and easy to make semi-cold Italian chocolate cake recipe called Torta di Stelle. We hope you enjoy this as much as we do. And don't forget to check the description for all your ingredients. So the first step to this recipe is you're going to get 200 ml of baking panna, which you're going to put in a nice big bowl, and you're going to whisk it until it gives you a nice thick froth like so. The next step is you're going to get another nice big bowl, and you're going to get 200 grams of mascarpone cheese, which you're going to mix with 4 tablespoons of powdered sugar, very finely powdered sugar. So you're going to put in the sugar in bits. So the first half you're going to mix it in well with the mascarpone, and then you're going to add in the rest that remained and mix it in as well. After that, you're going to then add in the panna that you had whisked earlier, and we're going to mix this together to make a nice cream for our cake. So whisk this until it gives you a very nice fine cream texture. There, we're done. So the next step after that, you're going to prepare your baking tin. So you can use a disposable one like this one, or you can use something that's not disposable and line it with plastic, because you have to take out the cake afterwards. So this cake gets its name from the type of biscuits that I use. The biscuit used is called pan di Stelle, which is the biscuit that we are lining at the bottom. That's why it's called Torta di Stelle, which is pan di Stelle cake. So the next step is you're going to put in a layer of the cream that we had just made, and after that cream layer you're going to put in some chocolate spread. So you're going to repeat this for as much as we can fill the tin. So do this, put in your biscuits, your cream, and then the chocolate, making sure to cover as much as you possibly can. The biscuits will not fit in well, but if you have to break them into small bits, try to do that. So continue with the layering. This cake is so easy to make. If you need something quick for your birthday, you need something quick for a surprise for somebody, this is the cake to go to. So our layers will continue going up like so until we are fully filled in there. So this is our last layer. The cream goes last. After you have put on the cream, then you're going to cover the cake, because it has to go into the freezer for about 3 hours. 2.5 to 3 hours is good. So once that is done, put it into the freezer and leave it to settle. After 3 hours, our cake is out. We are going to unwrap the plastic, see what we have. So right now it is holding very well. It is quite solid, and the plastic makes it easier for us to take it out of the baking tin, as you have seen. So after that is done, you're going to place it on the surface on which you want to decorate it from. So at this point, you can decorate it however you want. For us, we're going to put on a layer of chocolate on top. You can be very messy with this chocolate cake. It is easy to make. It is fun to make. So decorate it however you want. This is the Torta di Stelle. So we're going to use the Pan di Stelle biscuits to decorate it as well. And we're going to put on some of that cream that we had made as well. And voila, at this point our cake is ready, our cake is done. So you can put it back into the fridge, not the freezer, and leave it for about an hour, and then after that you can eat it. Buon appetito a tutti. Until next time, it's bye bye.